Write down there. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. So there is a 9 number. In triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. If AD is equal to 6 centimeter. Next one is DB is equal to 9 centimeter. EC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Find AE. So find AE. We find the value of AE. Now look at the boards. Now find the value of AE. Yes. Now each and every question is very easy. You get a higher scoring of marks in your first semester. The last 1 second. So we know that there is a triangle ABC. Which triangle? A, B, C, AB, AC and BC. So which is parallel line? DE is parallel to BC. Line DE parallel to BC. Which theorem? BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So write down here again. There is solution. Yes, I'm first in triangle ABC. In triangle A, B, C. Which line parallel? DE parallel side BC. Write down here. By BPT. AD upon BC is equal to AE upon EC. So that is why write down here again. So write down here side. Also line side DE, line DE parallel BC, side BC. So write down here again line DE. So line DE parallel side BC. Line DE is parallel to BC. How to write? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Which theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. So we learn first theorem. So write down here is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon there is AC. So write down there BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So what we learn? AD is a given. Look at here. AD is a 6. DB is a 9. AE is a 5 and EC is a 7.5. So write down here, substitute the values again. We substitute the values here. AD upon DB. AD is a 6. There is a 6 upon DB. DB is a 9 is equal to AE. We find the value of AE upon EC. EC is a 7.5. We are cross multiplying here. Look at the boards. So write down there again. 6 multiplied by 7.5 is equal to, again we multiply here, AE multiply, there is a 9. So 9 is a multiply, changing their side, divide. You get answer 6 multiplied by 7.5 divided by 9 is equal to, there is a AE. Okay, we divide by 3. So write down there 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Look at both. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, remains 1, 3 5s are 15. So you get answer 2 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to AE. Right? So 20 by 2s are 50. There is a 1 decimal place. So write down here AE. So that's why write down here AE is equal to 5 centimeters. So write down here answer ANS AE is equal to 5 centimeters. That is your right answer. Okay, now write down here quick fast. Don't waste your time. You have only 2 minute times. I am waiting here. This is your last question. Question number 10. Every day we have taken the 10 question. Each and every practices. Each and every chapters. So there is a main question we have taken here. So first we have learned 1 or 2 marks question. And next lectures we have taken 2 or 3 marks question. And last lectures we have taken 4 marks question. So that's why we have completed the revision. So this all question we write down here again. Last question. Are you done?
No, sir.
So next one. We know that already questions are very easy. Sometimes question number 1, question number 2, you get approximately 20 marks. So first question is a 5 marks, next question is a 15 marks. So total approximately 20 marks. 1, 2 question. Last one is a question number 10. Find the length. 1, 2, 3 question. Find the length of the diagonal. Find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle. Find the length of the diagonal of rectangle. Write down here again. Whose length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. There is a 12 centimeter. 35 centimeter and there is a 12 centimeter. Find the length of diagonals. We write down there. Find the length of diagonals. Look at the boards. Question read कर second question answer what is answer
Find the length of diagonal of rectangle whose length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter.
So look at here. So there is a what is this? We call it rectangle. So we write down their name A, B, C, D. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, now second. Each angle have there is a 90 degree. Each angle have 90 degree. So AC is a hypotenuse. AC is a hypotenuse. So there is a we using thereby Pythagoras theorem, right? So what is AB? AB means breadth. BC means length. So length is 35. There is a 35 centimeter. BC is a 35 centimeter. And AB is a what is AB? AB there is a 12 centimeter. Uttar देख चला 12 centimeter. Write down the solution. There is a solution. Next one is a we write down here ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. We know that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Rectangle, each angle have 90 degree. So that is why if you erase again, it's form of a right angle triangle. जर आप उसे erase केला तो कोणता triangle होतो? Right angle. So there is a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. We find the AC. So that is why I write down here again. So there is value AB is a 12 centimeter. Last one is a BC. BC is equal to 35 centimeter. Now we consider there is angle B is a 90 degree. So that is why I write down here angle B is equal to 90 degree. Again write down here by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. बोला 90 opposite hypotenuse means therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. सांगा चला yes. AB is a 12 square. BC is a 35 square. Okay, 12 square 144. 12 square 144. 35 square. So 5 square 25. 3 4s are 12. So you get taking square root 4. 5 plus 4 9. 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 1 3. 139 is equal to AC square. Write down there again. Taking taking square root both sides, taking square root both sides, taking square root both sides. So we know that 1369 is the square root of 37. So that is why I write down there AC is equal to 37 centimeter. So that is why diagonal AC is the length of diagonal. The length of diagonal. So that is why I write down the length of diagonal is there is a 37 centimeter. That's right answer. Write down it first. Don't waste your time. So means AC diagonal is a 37 centimeter. We find the answer. It is very easy. Now write down the next question. You try to read the whole questions and then find out your answers. Okay. Write down there quick fast. Each and every question only 2 minutes. You will take a screenshot. Are you done? Now you will try to solve the question again here. So all questions are very easy. So this is your last question, question number 11. So next question we write down there, question number 11. These are all questions are really important. So you will try to solve as your first, second and third question. Next write down there again. So we know that next question is are you done? So we also learn chapter first, chapter second. Okay. Next is chapter number third question. So these are all 1 or 2 marks question. Chapter number 3. Question number 11. Chord AB. Write down there again. Chord AB and chord CD. Chord AB and chord CD of a circle. Of a circle with center O, are congruent. With center O are congruent. With center O are congruent. With center O are congruent. If measure of arc AB, if measure of arc AB is equal to 120, then find measure of arc CD. Okay. We know that congruent chords. 7 झाले.
Yes.
Next. Are you done? Next question. Write down there. Next question is very easy. Look at the board, then find out the answer. If chords are congruent, their intersected are. If chords are congruent, example, we try to learn their concepts. So there is a congruent chords. We know that. So first, AB and CD are a congruent chords. If chords are congruent, their intersected arc is also congruent. We also know that there is a corresponding arcs are congruent. We write down these are all corresponding arcs are congruent. So what is given question? We know that there is O is the center of circle is given. First, we write down there again chord AB. So write down there again chord AB, congruent chord AB, congruent chord CD. So if already given chord AB and chord CD are congruent, so already given. But we know that measure of arc AB means measure of arc AB is 120. If chords are congruent, their intersected arc is also congruent. Means chord AB chord AB, look at both direction. Chord AB, congruent chords CD. So therefore AB and CD is also congruent arcs. So write down here. Therefore we write down here what is given. Arc AB is given. So write down here measure of arc AB is equal to 120. So what is the arc AB? Arc AB is 120. It means that this one arc is also CD is 120. If chords are congruent, therefore measure of arc is congruent. Therefore arc AB congruent arc also. Arc measure of arc AB is equal to measure of arc CD. Measure of arc CD is equal to measure of arc. So what we learn again? So define of arcs. So we write down there corresponding arc of congruent chords. Corresponding arcs. There is a corresponding arc of congruent chords. Corresponding arc of congruent chords. Corresponding arcs of congruent chords. Corresponding arcs of congruent chords. Corresponding arcs of congruent chords. So that is why we also know that therefore measure of arc CD is equal to there is a 120 degree. Any doubt? पुन्हा एकदा लक्षात ठेवा. पुन्हा एकदा जर कॉर्ड दोन्ही कॉर्ड जरी कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील तर त्यांनी केलेला जो अर्क असतो हा जो अर्क भाग आहे सर्कलचा हा काय असतो कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतो. So that is why AB and CD are congruent chords. AB and CD are congruent chords. So that is why the arc is also congruent. So we call them congruent arcs. Last one, write down their name, Christian. Are you done?